First, we have a reusable crochet gift wrap. This is a sustainable alternative to the normal paper gift wrap. And with these gift wraps, you can be able to use it year after year, which is more friendly to the environment. Next, we have tree toppers. Instead of the traditional star, you can have a unique tree topper like an angel or a snowflake, or you can even make a flower that brings a unique touch to your tree. Next, you can make Christmas sweater ornaments. You can make these tiny sweaters and add a keychain to them, and you can add them as another extra gift to your loved ones. You can also make other Christmas ornaments and place them on your Christmas tree. You can alternatively make mug covers and coasters. So you can make these Christmas themed covers, which are so cute, and you can also make coasters that are Santa themed, or you can just do any other Christmas ornaments that you like, and this will look really nice. You can also crochet candy canes. You can make the tiny ones for your Christmas tree, but you can also make these big plushies just to place them somewhere on your couch, and this will look really cute. You can also add Christmas stockings to your decoration, and this will bring a taste of unique, personalized touch. You can also crochet gift bags as an alternative to the paper bags, and this can also bring a unique touch to the theme of Christmas. Another thing that I actually never thought about before is the crochet advent calendar, and to make it even fun and unique, each and every day you can add in a small treat just to make it fun and make it interactive as you do the countdown. You can also make small cute Christmas characters. This will look really cute. You can give them to your kids. Not only your kids, even adults will really love one of these. Like I really love one for Santa, and that will really look nice as a decoration for my room. Also having a snowman and all the other favorite Christmas characters will really look nice as a decoration just next to my Christmas tree. You can use different colors to make a Christmas tree skirt, one that is personalized to your own touch. Like you can make this as unique as you want it to be, and this will really bring a personalized and a unique touch to your Christmas tree. Like I have never actually seen one of those, but I'd really like to make one of those one day. Like they look really unique. You can also make Christmas sweaters with mostly it's green, red and white. You can just mix up the colors to bring out a really nice and cute Christmas sweater. And who wouldn't like Christmas pillows and blankets in their home? Like when you have these pillows and throw blankets, they bring the Christmas vibe into your home. And I'm really looking forward to make at least 2 of these this year. And I hope this video was so helpful to you guys. And if you know how to crochet, you can make these items for yourself. If you don't know how to, you can ask someone that knows how to crochet or knit to make the items for you. Like for me personally, I usually also have a crochet business. So if you want me to make some of these items for you, you can just DM me on my Instagram or TikTok or any other social media platform, and I'll be able to make it for you. And happy crocheting. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas!